What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna try to put Christmas lights on the bike. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna try to put Christmas lights on the bike. I think it'll be a cool idea. I never seen nobody else do it. Not that I know of, I never seen nobody else done it. But a few minutes ago or an hour ago, I was trying to figure this out, and I got this little thing right here where I can turn them on. The only thing that sucks, that's like the only color. You know, that sounded cool, you know. But I remember I also have like the LED strips, so that could be something cool. But I'm gonna try to figure it out how I can put Christmas lights around it. I wanted to put like a little tree up here. I don't know, dude. I just wanted to do something cool. It's really windy today, but it's really nice. It's not that cold. So we're gonna try to put this on, figure it out. How the hell am I gonna put these lights around it? Obviously I have the seats off because I had the trickle charger on. I disconnected the LED lights, but I'm trying to figure it out how am I gonna do it. But that's gonna be the vlog today, and she take a few pictures. I'm gonna bundle up and I'm gonna go somewhere and see. Hopefully I don't get stopped, because I don't even have a plate bracket either. So fuck it. Let's see how it goes. And the bike is dirty, bro. Like, dude, this thing gets a detail, man. But let's just get it over with and get this vlog started. I also got these, and shout out to my dad, man. He brought some from a place he knows, and he just like battery, so we can like hang these. I don't know, you can hang them right here. Oh man, obviously I'm gonna have this open. There is a bike, there's a toy drive, motorcycle toy drive tomorrow. Check that out. I think, here, let me see. Let me fix this. Yo, check it out. I mean, that's cool, right? And I just got the button right here. Turn it on. All right, man, let's try to figure out how we're gonna put those lights on. All right, I'm gonna use tape. So it's gonna look kind of like I was gonna wrap the car with, I'm probably gonna do that in the next vlog, but I'm gonna wrap the bike in Christmas wrapping. So let's just see how this looks like with this. All right, bro. After like 40 minutes of trying to figure this out, I finally got it. But they're not really Christmas lights. Like, let me show you guys. Let me give you a little hint. I don't even know where's the box at, bro. Oh shit, all the way down there. Like, let me show you how it look. They look pretty cool. You see, they're like not Christmas lights. They're like the lights you put in your room. And I got these off my girlfriend, so shout out to her. But I mean, it's cool. I wanted like the original like stuff you put on the Christmas light, on the Christmas tree, but obviously where the fuck am I gonna connect that? So finally figured out, they're like strings, long strings, so it sucks. So yeah, I got that done. Now let's put it together. Bro, look, this looks crazy. It's like it's all over the place. I gotta do something better than this, bro. What? I don't even know how I'm gonna ride this. Like, can I even get on this thing? This is like dangerous as fuck. Like, guess I gotta take this. Put the controller right. Dude. Alright, let's see how it looks at night. Let's see what will look cool. Let's turn them on. Let's turn this on. All right, let's see how it looks. You guys ready? Here we go. What in the world? Let's see what the ignition on. Can't even see. All right, what do you guys think? Should I plug in my... I don't know, man. This looks crazy. Dude, this looks all dumb right here. Like, I expected a better vision, but... Should I go with it? Fuck it. I don't know. That's insane. That is cool. Alright, let me go show my brother. Alright. This is the final setup. It looks kind of ghetto, man. It looks... At night, you can't really tell where the tape lines are, but in the day, they're gonna be like, what the fuck? But hopefully my sister can help me with the reel later. Nah, I'll go by myself somewhere nice and dark and do it myself. But this... This goes nuts, bro. Go crazy. Got the dogs over here chilling. But yeah, I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna leave this here. It looks good there. Not what I expected, but whatever. For content, man. Let's do it for fun. But this looks crazy. Oh, hell yeah. We just finished doing a video. Alright, let me go before the red light, green light comes in.